We locate one lot high in the trees. The boys watch impatiently as the bats settle again. The flying foxes, being nocturnal, don't travel far, and the boys scatter along the river's edge, taking up positions of advantage as the bats return to the trees. In their excitement to retrieve a wounded bat, some of the boys take to the water. But they're anxious to get back into that canoe, for everyone knows that big crocs lurk beneath flying fox colonies, where the old and very young animals are easy pickings. Although they're obviously having a lot of fun, the boys are very conscious that they're hunting for food, not just for sport. Tired, but happy with the results of their efforts, the young hunters head for an open garden area to cook a meal. One of the boys has even been lucky enough to bag a Victoria-crowned pigeon. These big birds are common along the rivers, but unfortunately, in the more heavily populated areas, they're becoming rare, mainly because they're considered to be the best meat in the jungle. This young flying fox, a newly acquired pet, is still protesting at its capture. I was surprised to see these young boys eating immature coconuts. Even the husk was devoured. It's only when the nuts mature that the skin is unpalatable. Finishing their meal of roasted flying fox, the boys design these curious kite-shaped toys and spend the rest of the afternoon showing off their handiwork before we head back to Burry Creek.